Americo, a world-renowned manufacturer of floor maintenance products and cleaning accessories, presents how to clean and polish floors using the Twister Diamond Floor Care System. Twister pads are made using 100% recycled PET plastic and contain billions of microscopic diamonds which clean and polish floors without the use of harsh chemicals. Designed to be used in the absence of floor finish, Twister pads are utilized on most floor surfaces such as terrazzo, natural stone, concrete, and a variety of other hard surface floors. Twister pads are available in standard round pads for rotary machines and rectangular pads for oscillating machines. For heavy-duty cleaning of worn stone floors, begin with Twister Red. Then proceed with the additional steps starting with Twister White, Twister Yellow, and Twister Green. To track your progress, feel free to take gloss meter readings throughout the entire process. Twister Red can be used to effectively remove scratches and stains from the floor with machines up to 350 RPM. To use Twister Red, you'll first wet mop the floor to remove loose soil. When placing a Twister pad on a machine, the gray printed side should be placed facing the machine. Then, guide the machine in steady passes while keeping the floor sufficiently wet. This process may take approximately 10 to 15 minutes per 100 square feet. For our example here, we completed 8 passes to achieve optimal results. This will create gray milk-like slurry substance. Once this step is complete, be sure to wet vacuum or mop the surface to remove any slurry buildup. This first step will leave a matte surface well prepared for the subsequent Twister steps. The next step is the Twister White Pad. This pad is designed to remove light scratches and stains from the surface. This may take up to 10 passes using floor machines up to 3000 RPM. If using a high-speed machine, only a light mist is required. This process eliminates dust and enhances the life of the pad. For a deep cleaning and floor surface repair, it's best to use a low-speed machine on a wet floor. Once you have a clean surface, replace the white pad with a Twister Yellow pad. When using high-speed equipment, continue to mist the floor as you did in previous steps and make up to 10 passes with the floor machine. This step brings out the initial luster of the floor's surface. After using Twister Yellow, the floor's surface will become porous and is more susceptible to staining. Chemical guards may be applied after the last or highest grit. If you're incorporating a chemical sealer or guard into your water solution, we recommend that you apply it after the use of Twister Yellow. You are now ready to complete this process. Replace the yellow pad with a Twister Green. This will bring out the final high luster finish. When burnishing, it's best to use Twister Green on a high-speed machine and make approximately 10 passes while lightly misting the floor. Twister Green is ideal for daily maintenance. Twister transforms your dull, worn floors into clean, highly polished surfaces. For coated floors, also try Americo's Twister Super Clean for daily cleaning with optimal shine, or Twister Super Gloss for superior high gloss when burnishing floors. Americo takes the guesswork out of floor maintenance with a mobile app. Designed to provide immediate advice from leading experts in the Jansan industry. To learn more about Americo's quality products, visit us at www.americomfg.com or at www.americofullcycle.com. Contact us today and let us show you the Americo difference.